Wow, very cozy, man. Check this out, check this out. Check the shower out, man. I feel that I should sleep here tonight under the stars.
Place is magical, dude.
After spending 69 days in the northeast of India, मुंबई में वापस आकर मेजर फोमो वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी. I was missing the mountains like mad. So my friends and I, Shelly on his 48, Karan on his lowrider S, decided to immediately take our asses to the nearest mountain at the newly renovated Zostel Plus to cure my withdrawal symptoms. But before I go ahead and bombard you with info about Panchgani or share my review of the all-new Zostel Plus, please take a moment and enjoy the beautiful bikes and an even better sunrise. वैसे a large part of motor vlogging is looking cool, बट इसके पीछे मेहनत कितना जाता है ये हमें ही पता है. पहले 10 साल करियर के पीछे अपना पिछवाड़ा घिसाओ, थोड़े बहुत पैसे बनाओ, औकात के बाहर वाली बाइक खरीदो, औकात से ज्यादा बाइक को मेंटेन करो और फिर सोशल मीडिया के लिए जान पे खेलकर शॉट्स लो. मतलब क्या बोलूं, इट्स अ टफ लाइफ. By the way, this is JNPT Road, मुंबई का अपना खुद का सस्ता और टिकाऊ ऑटोबान. No pothole, no speed limit, and no cows. I mean, we do have the expressways and sea links and coastal bridges too, but हम छोटे मोटे मोटरसाइकिल वालों को थोड़ी ना वहाँ अलाउ करेंगे. मतलब हम जो भरते हैं इनकम टैक्स, रोड टैक्स, GST, CGST, वो थोड़ी ना काउंट होता है, करेक्ट? So Zostel Plus is in this quaint hill station of Panchgani in the district of Maharashtra, some 250 kilometers from Mumbai or 100 kilometers from Pune. Like most OG hill stations in our country, the credit of finding and developing this place also goes to the British Raj. Because of its location between 5 villages, it was aptly named Panchgani, meaning land between 5 villages. It's not exactly Kullu Manali, but manages to stay cool all year round and is also known for its strawberry fields.
A beautiful day and we're heading to Panchgani. हमारा एक ग्रुप है बेसिकली हार्ली का, जहाँ पर हमें टू लाउड तेरे कान में नहीं चला रहा ना. नहीं. हम सेना में कनेक्टेड है बाय द वे, सो जस्ट गॉट टू मेक श्योर आई एम नॉट रूइनिंग देयर इयर्स. पहली बार हम ओवरनाइट कर रहे हैं इसके साथ. हमने किया है, आपने वीडियो देखा रहेगा जोस्टल का, जो काफ़ी ट्रेंड हो रहा है बाय द वे, बट वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, 3 of us. And Shailu is there on his 48 on my fat boy and the lowrider S. And how's the bike running, man?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Super as always.
Mileage कितना देती है?
अरे 20.
Shailu, good morning बोलो.
Good morning,
How are you feeling?
peoples.
How's the 48 running?
Amazing.
Yeah. Good, no issues at all. No,
Not at all.
nothing. Absolutely good.
If you're wondering what we are doing here, park next to this old building, and if you ever find yourself loitering around old Mumbai-Pune highway, there is one place you must never ever miss.
हम यहाँ पर आए हैं मन शक्ति में हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए, एंड इट्स अ वेरी फेमस प्लेस. अमेजिंग कोंकण महाराष्ट्रन फूड. चलो ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं and we'll go hit the road very soon.
They serve authentic, delicious Maharashtrian food for dirt cheap rates and is so good it's worth dying for. मतलब शक्ल पे एक्साइटमेंट देखो. Satara highway से राइट लेकर we entered the ghats that lead to Zostel Plus. Now a lot of you have seen me ride through here in some of my previous videos, and if you haven't, guess what? Only for you, I'll put up the link above. A large part about riding Harleys is creating original music for other travelers. We take a lot of pride in it. 5.5 घंटे के बाद we arrived at Zostel Plus.
We have reached.
This was the first time I was coming here after its renovation, so excitement levels were higher than a collective testosterone.
नाम बता के ऑर्डर प्लेस कीजिए.
Okay. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
फैजान.
फैजान. Nice to meet you, Faizan. Third time you are in Panchgani. शैली पहली बार आ रहा ना?
Yes.
How do you finding the property? तो ये सब जो कंटेनर्स दिख रहा है ये सब डॉर्म्स हैं एंड प्राइवेट रूम्स भी है. It's a mixture of both. But yeah, pretty cool place. So all the bikers are stayed in these dorms, the private rooms. You want to do that thing or क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
The
Paragliding.
You see tomorrow. I'm not Too keen right now.
ठीक है, डॉम्स जो है वैसा लेआउट वैसे ही है ना, बाकी सिर्फ
Same
नीचे
है, हाँ।
सिर्फ रूम्स बढ़ गए ना।
Rooms बढ़ गए।
तो ये जब मैं आता तब ये सब बन रहा था ये।
Right.
So these are the rooms.
या दीज आर ऑल अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, वी वर ओनली टिल ईयर पहले ये इतना ही था सिर्फ। वाह बढ़िया है, ठीक है। अंदर का रूम ही बहुत सही है और पूरा एक्सटेंड कर दिया रे शिट। थैंक यू।
How romantic. Shadi.
वाओ वेरी कोजी मैन।
Also water bottle and biscuit और जो है वो
Nice.
complimentary।
ओपन द कर्टन्स। Damn boy, this is what you call a room.
Look at that, dude. Look at the hammock.
Yeah, full on. खोलना इसको, खोलना इसको। So bloody cool. Oh, super. This is the bathroom. Hey, bathroom with the view, man. इसको ऊपर कर. Whoa. Check this out, bro. Check this out. Check the shower out, man. Damn, boy. See, thank me later, guys. Told you, it's a freaking awesome room. Nice.
जो रूम्स थे, द डिजाइन, कलर पैलेट एंड ओवरऑल वाइब देखकर सेटिस्फैक्शन तो फॉर श्योर हुआ। ऑब्वियसली अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट वाज पुट इनटू मेकिंग इट। रूम से 20 मीटर आगे इज द ऑल न्यू बॉम्बैक्स कैफे दैट ओवरलुक्स द ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन रेंजेस। The interiors are elegant and airy with large openings that point you in the direction of this gorgeous view, where sometimes you get to see paragliders floating around like a plastic ki theli in the wind. Just like the rooms here, the simplicity in design while maintaining an upmarket classy feel is what I really like. सोचा यहीं पर गद्दी डाल के लेट जाऊं to take in this beautiful view, फिर याद आया I can actually do it in my room.
I think मैं आज यहाँ सोने वाला हूँ. I think here I am going to sleep tonight. Yeah. What do you guys think? Should I sleep here tonight? Sleep here tonight?
As long as you get someone to keep you warm.
I think I'm gonna sleep here tonight. It's super cold. It's like almost 12 degrees here. पता है कि मैं पहाड़ी बन गया हूँ. मुझे इतना ठंड नहीं लगता बाहर. But I feel that I should sleep here tonight under the stars. There are no stars, but yeah.
Who's this homeless man?
The night was young and I had some special plans. Not those kind of plans.
Damn, nice shirt, man. कहाँ से लिया भाई?
It's a average Nick original.
You guys know I sell merchandise too, so check me out on Instagram also. A lot of merch I posted there, and you know, just place an order, man. It's the best shit ever.
What are you gonna do, Nikhil?
I'm gonna make sangria, man. Strawberry sangria.
Can you tell me how you're gonna make it?
I'm gonna get like I have red wine, beer red wine. I have some mixers and I have a lot of strawberry, which I'm gonna put together with some sugar syrup and some lime and make the best sangria in the world. That's what I'm gonna do.
What do you want to drink, Shadi?
I'm going to have a sip of the sangria. Let's see how it goes.
You heard it first on this channel.
ये जो व्यू है यहाँ पर, I mean, it's absolutely unbeatable. This is basically the second, third or fourth time I'm coming, और ये renovation के बाद मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ, and it is seriously, I think one of the best properties I've ever seen in a very long time. I mean, क्या सुंदर जगह है, and also the room जो लोग renovate किया है, जैसे कि आप देखोगे कि room का जो decor है, so pretty. The view is absolutely amazing. Floor to ceiling type का window है. The bathroom is so pretty, man. It's like so nice. Yeah, safe here. देखा आपको सेफ और नाइस स्टोरेज. ये सबसे मुझे बेस्ट लगा बाय द वे. ये वो केटल, यू हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हियर. प्रीटी कूल मैन. दिस एंटायर सेट आपको मिलता है. ये हार्डली कोई होटल से मिलता है. दिस इज सो कूल विथ योर मिनी बार मेन्यू व्हिच इज
Not bad actually. Mini one to restaurant type. It's not bad, man. Chicken tikka rolls sort of like $250. Not bad, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Fresh murderman just $100. Not bad. I've had worse. See, it's quite cheap. It's not that bad. फिर आपको मिलता है ये पूरा cutlery set, which is so nice. Such a nice touch. आपको अलग से ऑर्डर नहीं करना पड़ता, which is so nice. And then you have this magazine, this one magazine. और आपको कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है लाइफ में, जो पढ़ना तो यही पढ़ना है. और इस तरफ में है mini bar. That is the mini bar. You have this entire loofah kit, dental kit, shower cap, creams. You have ये तो मेरा दोस्त का है. Ignore this. So done with all these creams or whatever. खत्म होने के बाद आप actually इसको घर ले जा सकते हो और आपको लेके जाने के लिए आपको एक पाउच मिलता है. That is such a nice touch. These little touches are what I like. You have that foldable mirror here. Or you can actually take a shower here. You have an indoor shower too. वैसे आपको अगर बाहर शावर नहीं करना है आप इंडोर में भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर वो ऑप्शन है. बाय द वे गाइस, इतना सब बोलने के बाद देयर आर फ्लॉज. ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि फ्लॉज नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट मी शो यू वन. अभी ये बाथरूम को मैं जब ओपन करूँगा, दिस इज एक्चुअली ये कर्टन है, बट अगर ये कर्टन गलती से नहीं है तो देयर आर पीपल हू कैन सी दैट. सी के अंदर सी दैट्स इन राइट देयर. एंड नीचे जो है, नीचे भी रूम्स है, सो दे कैन एक्चुअली हियर यू टेकिंग अ शावर. सो काइंड ऑफ लिटिल वियर्ड, बट ठीक है. सो इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट, द डिज़ाइन इज़ नॉट परफेक्ट, बट इट्स नॉट बैड एट ऑल. और एक आपको फ्लॉ बताता हूँ मैं. Okay, so it's not a flaw, but if you or your better half are hanging around here wearing anything other than tight pants, there are possibilities that you'd end up traumatizing the guests below.
छोटा सा काम करेगा. Can you get me my cigarettes?
No cigarettes. Guys, cigarette smoking is injurious to health.
Yeah.
Never
Can you tell your
smoke.
brother that?
Only smoke cigar. You're having fun. Lovely. What do you think of the place? You're coming for the first time.
Yeah.
I'm asking as if it's my place, but yeah, it's not.
Amazing. It's very neat, very clean. Beautiful ambience.
Yeah? Would you come here again?
Of course.
Yes. With me or somebody else?
Depends.
What about you, Karan? You like it?
See, this young generation of today.
New generation.
I don't understand how they travel. What is this bunk bed, dormitory, boys and girls sleeping in the same
You got a lot of
room?
dandruff falling on your jacket, by the way. What is that? Dust it off.
I use Clinic Plus, all clear. See, he uses all clear.
uses all clear.
Place is fucking magical, dude.
Yeah. Beautiful,
Magnificent. If only there was more.
Moonshine.
Correct. Moonshine.
Yeah. Would you come here again?
Maybe.
This is better than Zostel Goa?
It's a tough call.
Why you shut up? Are you mad?
The vibe in Zostel Goa was like way more.
Yeah, but that's because अभी वीकेंड हुआ नहीं है तो इसके लिए थोड़ा ऐसा सैड सीन है. सैड सीन नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा ठंडा है, but otherwise I think it's a you've seen my Zostel Panchgani video. It's mental. So it'll pick up.
Thanks. I'm hoping for that.
Yeah. Fantastic weekend. Not weekend, last 2 days we spent here. But it's time to sign out, check out. अभी हम जाके we'll walk around for a bit and we are done with this place and we're gonna go back to Bombay tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, guys. Say bye. So what do I think about the new Zostel Plus Panchgani? Before that, अगर आपने मेरा original Zostel Panchgani का video नहीं देखा है, I highly recommend you do. So you'd get some context. The dorms are pretty much the same, clean and well maintained. Container rooms भी same ही है, no changes there. The common room stays the same too. But the new rooms they've made, I have one word for it.
Wow.
मतलब भाई साहब जबरदस्त है. ऊपर से the staff here are really friendly. तो सोने पे सुहागा type situation going on here. So if it's not already clear, I personally love this place with a capital L and an O and V and even E. So if you want to spend a super chill weekend getaway with your friends or your better half, somewhere close to Mumbai or Pune, this, my friend, is the place to be.